I'm Joseph Falbo, certified financial planner. Today we're going to talk about what investors should be remembering right now. It's a good time to just pause for a minute, think a little, right? Not just about life, but honestly about investing. So you want to think about life, of course, but we're here to talk about investing because if you look around right now, there's no shortage of things to worry about. You've got conflict in the Middle East, oil prices moving around, inflation still being talked about. There's constant debate about where markets are going to go, recession, uh, and now all the noise around AI and jobs. It's a lot. And when information comes at you like that, it almost feels like you're supposed to, let's do something, right? You almost feel like you have to react, you have to do something. That's where taking a step back actually matters because markets have always had different things to worry about, always something to worry about. There's always some sort of different headlines, scary headlines, same patterns, and just as important, we have to be honest about how we behave. Most people are fine when markets are calm. The challenge comes when things start feeling uncertain. That's when emotion starts creeping in, and decisions that used to feel easy suddenly feel hard. You've seen it before in your life. Just look back in your lifetime. People stay invested at first, then they start getting uncomfortable. Then they eventually make a move at probably near to the worst possible time. Not because they don't understand investing, right? It's because in the moment they lose perspective of what's going on, right? So what's worth remembering right now, markets have always rewarded the patient. They don't reward most of the time the reactions, right? Short-term uncertainty is perfectly normal, even when it feels different, right? It's always different. And your plan was built with periods like this in mind. So sometimes it helps to think back 5 or 10 years. The headlines back then just felt just as serious, just as scary, and yet markets moved forward over time. That's really the point. Taking a minute to step back, think, and keep things in perspective. That's why we focus when we work with our clients on a long term plan and a diversified portfolio tied to those goals in your plan. So your decisions aren't driven by whatever's happening in the markets or whatever happens in the moment. Because at the end of the day, it's not about reacting, it's about sticking with a plan that makes sense for your individual life. I hope this message helps you.